Hey there, Webb's Reserve fans. Roberto Lee here at Webb's Reserve, and today we're previewing this condo, the Birkdale floor plan. It's part of the golf included line of terrace condos you're going to find here at Webb's Reserve. 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, just under 1,200 square foot. This one should be ready to go by the end of November here. So with the Birkdale, when you come in, you've got the master bedroom here. Plenty big enough for a king size bed, believe it or not. And then you've got a linen closet here, your walk-in closet across from it, and then your master with the standalone shower, the singular sink, and the commode. Now coming out of the master here and across, then you have your guest bedroom right here and your guest bath. And then this bathroom here, you have the singular sink, the commode, and your combination tub and shower. Now right back out into the main hallway with the Birkdale, you've got your laundry space here, full-size washer and dryer. You get all the appliances actually in these condos that you purchase. And then this opens up into this nice great room area here with your kitchen looking over to your living areas. So the kitchen here, you've got quartz countertops, full stainless appliance package of white cabinets. Really nice setup here. Plenty of room for your dining space with the bay window overlooking your views. And then that's your living space there. Your TV would be typically on this wall right there. Last but not least on this condo are the views. So you have your exterior lanai space here. And here you're gonna be overlooking the golf course. But that lake right there, that is your driving range. And then your amenities are right there where you see the sprinklers starting to go. That's where your amenities are going to be, right over there in that corner. So you are walking distance from the amenities in this condo. This one's available to be offered on right now. Should be ready here within the month. If you're interested, contact us at the information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.